Welcome to Harvey Bay. It's a pretty standard sunset for Harvey Bay. It's looking quite nice. Hello and welcome to 2025. So this is my first photo shoot of the year. You wait and see what I've got lined up. How good is this? I knew we were going to get some colour. I didn't quite expect it to be this epic. There's pinks and blues and it is amazing. Wow, what a year it's been. So thank you everyone who has watched my videos, everyone who has liked and subscribed. Thank you very much. And welcome to Harvey Bay. Okay, most of my videos are based here in Hervey Bay, Queensland, Australia, and it's an incredible place. I would argue that we have the best sunrises and sunsets in the world. We are one of the few places on the east coast of Australia where we can watch the sunrise and the sunset over the water. If you haven't visited Hervey Bay, jump on a plane, get here. It is an amazing place. So many opportunities, the piers, the beaches, the rocky headlands, the mud flats. The wildlife is incredible. Okay, so going forward next year, lots more live streams. I love doing live streams. I love that. Not so much the fear of the unknown, but the excitement of the unknown. I love going out and hoping something epic is going to happen. That's why I love photography. We don't always go out and get amazing shots. Sometimes things just don't work. And that's what you're going to see in the live streams. You're going to see when things work and when they don't. And when they do work, it's a very special feeling to know that you're seeing something unfold live. It's not pre-recorded, it's not pre-planned, it's all happening live and in real time. I really do enjoy the live streams, chatting to people in real time, speaking to fellow photographers who may be out taking photos and still taking their time to join in on the live streams and have a chat to our wonderful little community. Still going to cover all my editing videos. I may even throw in some gear related videos next year. If there's anything you would like to see, leave a comment below. My specialty is landscape and wildlife. That's where my passion is. My passion is landscapes and wildlife. So if there's anything you would like to learn or understand, leave a comment below. If you're a local, book a class with me. I'll take you to some of these epic locations and show you how to capture incredible photos. Okay, there's a link to my website down below. So just to finish up, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. I'm wishing you all a very safe and happy New Year. There may be another video, there may be another live stream before the year finishes, but if not, I will see you in the new year. Lots of big plans going forward, lots more exploring. I want to get out, explore, find some new locations, find some new trees to take photos of. More wildlife coming up. I'm really enjoying the wildlife side of my photography at the moment, so I'm going to spend a bit more time with my wildlife. I've always been a lover of wildlife, so that's going to be a big part of the channel going forward. So thank you all again. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I look forward to the future, and I will see you all very soon. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll try not to make it too silly because I'm an idiot. Rainbow! I'm too much of a nice guy, and I've got chatting to one of the locals. And that happens sometimes. Sometimes people come down and have a bit of a chat, and you don't want to be a dick and not speak to them. So yeah, I had a good chat, and out of the corner of my eye I could see that sun setting. So I had to give him a bit of a wind up and say I need to take some photos. What a lovely evening. Have a look at this. How good is this? So I don't know how well you're going to see that. This is the very rare Queensland tiger snake, closely related to the tiger snake, but it doesn't have the yellow bands on it. It's completely black and completely round, and it's the Queensland tiger snake. So I'll just zoom in on this, get a shot for you. Wow, that is incredible. So high up in the tree. Okay, now in the prompt, I'm just going to type in change my shirt to something a little more realistic and hit generate. And there we have it, a much more realistic looking image of myself. So if you are enjoying the video, do give it a thumbs up. Actually, no, Actually don't, this video is don't give it a thumbs up. Okay, it helps when you're like built like a tank because then it's easier to block the camera. So go to the gym, work out, and you'll find that the frame will be a bigger frame to block all that wind. So I go to the gym all the time, as you can probably tell from the live streams. You're a dickhead. I will start moving at a nice even pace and then press the shutter. Okay, we're getting very close to sunset now. We're probably about 15 minutes away from sunset. So lock yourself in and get prepared for what's about to happen, because this is going to be incredible. Nice high cloud, a gap on the horizon. There's no cloud on the horizon. We've got some nice cloud up here. Watch this. What did I say? What did I say? Have a look at that. That is epic. If I come around too far to the right, we get all of this mess in behind me, and it's not so much a lone tree anymore. We've got all this, what I would call distractingness. Okay, so I know I don't want the left, I don't want the right. Okay, so always hang around. It's 20 minutes after, well, it's actually 6 minutes, but I'll say it's 20.